Alrighty, guys. So, just a minute. Let me get this. There we go. So, expressions and equations. You have this packet. I went through and I numbered my pages. So, you probably should too. We are, just a minute. That'll be a little bit better. Alrighty, so this is the video for pages 3 and 4. Remember yesterday's video, we went through all the words. Not all the math action words, but we went through and made the list of math action words. There we go. And so we just have a couple more problems on it, and then I will have an activity or a lesson also posted. All right, so on this, we need to write the math sign above the math action word and circle variables or numbers. So we need to circle variables or numbers and write math action. I'm going to put math sign above the action word. Whoops, word. Alrighty, so number 1 says sum. Remember on the very first page, sum means to add. So the sum of x and 3, and we said gives, means equals 5. Remember, we're not solving these. We are just writing the equation down. So x plus 3 equals 5. Next, 2 multiplied by b is equal to 8. Remember, we don't use the x when we write out our sentence. We either put them right next to each other. 2 times b, when they're right next to each other, that's what it means, equals 8. Or you can do 2 and the dot, b equals 8. Difference between, remember difference meant minus, y and 23 is 12. Y minus 23 equals 12. Number 4, the product. Product means to multiply of 4 and z is the same as, that was equals 16. So 4 times z equals 16. Remember, we can either do 4 dot z equals 16 or 4 z equals 16. All right, number 5, total of. The total of something means to add. M and 3 is 21. Remember, is means equals. So we have m plus 3 equals 21. 6, b divided by 6 gives, which is equal 1. You can write this one 2 ways also. We can write b divided by 6 equals 1, most commonly. Or as a fraction, b divided by 6 equals 1. Number 7, n minus 2 is equal to 16. N minus 2 equals 16. Number 8, 11 times p is 33. 11. I feel like it's like really far, guys. I don't know. Remember, you can write them right next to each other. 11p equals 33. Or you can do 11 times p equals 33. 20 exceeds. That is not on our list. But exceeds is to add. C gives 18. Ooh. I don't know. 20 exceeds. You know what? I don't think it's add. Not 100% sure, but let's make this one extra credit. Find out what it means. Show me. I'll give you extra credit. 1/2 of x is equal to 3. 1/2 of x equals 3. Or you can do it without the dot. 1/2 x equals 3. Either way works. All right, page 4. Doing the same kind of thing. However, these ones are finding out what the number is. So where it says me, or if I am divided by 4, those are your variables. So at the top, let's make a little note. Me. I think it's just me or am / I am is our variable. Okay, so our first one says 3/4. Whoops, I don't know what I did. I don't know why I wrote it. I'm sorry, guys. 3/4 of means to multiply. Me is 9. What number am I? So now we're actually going to solve it, which we haven't even worked with yet. So we're going to work slowly through it, and we'll see what we get. So 3/4 times, let's say this variable is x, because that's what we work with most often, equals 9. So 3/4 times something is equal to 9. For now, we're going to leave this one here because we haven't worked with solving equations, especially multiplying. But we will get the answer eventually. Alright, if I am divided by 4, you will get 7. X divided by 4 equals 7. This one you might know because something divided by 4 does equal 7. We will get back there. 3. If you take away 11 from me, you will get 10. So we're taking 11 from our variable. So we're going to start with our variable. X minus 11 equals 10. I think you can do that. Something minus 11 is 10. So let's see. What about, let's work backwards. Something minus 11. What's the opposite of minus 11? Well, plus 11. So if I'm going to do plus 11, what number am I? We are 21. That is our number. Number 4. If you add 6 to me, you get 20. So we have something. We add 6 to it, and we get 20. So you can use your fingers to count up. You can use mental math to count up any way you want. So we're going to go 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What number am I? We are number 14. If you want to do it mathematically with the steps, the opposite of plus 6 would be to minus 6 to see what we're left with, and you get 14. 5 times me is 15. 5 times something equals 15. You can count by fives. You can do the opposite of multiplying. I think you probably already know this one. Alrighty, number 6. If you subtract 2 from me, you get 8. So I start with me, my variable. I take 2 away, and we're going to get 8. So x minus 2 equals 8. That one, I think you can do that one in your head. If not, find a way to solve it. Number 7, half of me is 12. Half, we're going to write that as a fraction. X, because we don't know what me is yet, equals 12. We will come back to these and figure out how to solve them. Your assignment will be posted in Google Classroom along with this video. It will be on mathgames.com.